Hi, I'm Maverick, a project expert, and welcome to our FAQ series, Glad You Asked. Today's question is, how do I choose the right refrigerator? The refrigerator is probably the most used appliance in your kitchen, so it's important to select a model that looks great and functions well for your household. There are a few things you need to consider when you're shopping for a new fridge: installation type, capacity and configuration, and features. Let's start with installation type. Refrigerators are either freestanding or built-in. Freestanding models are designed to stand with one or both sides exposed to the room, so the sides typically have the same finish as the doors. Now, freestanding refrigerators are also deeper and usually less expensive than built-in models. Built-in refrigerators are designed to fit within a space in the kitchen cabinetry. Because the sides aren't intended to be seen, they're usually not finished with the same materials as the door fronts. They're also counter depth, so they don't jut out into the room like freestanding models do. Built-in refrigerators typically have front-facing exhausts to vent heat and allow for airflow to the motor and cooling systems. Each model has its own special clearances and requirements to ensure that the refrigerator runs properly and that the doors can open fully. So be sure to check the product specifications to make sure that your new refrigerator will fit in your space. Next, let's talk about capacity and configuration. Refrigerator capacity is measured in cubic feet, and the general rule of thumb is that you'll need about 4 to 6 cubic feet of fridge space for each member of your family. But it's important to take lifestyle into consideration. Now, if you're doing large weekly grocery shopping trips, you might need more space. If you don't cook at home often, you might need less. Configuration refers to how the refrigerator is set up. There are several types of configurations, including French door, side-by-side, bottom freezer, top freezer, and column refrigeration, which has separate units for the freezer and refrigerator. The configuration you choose will depend on style and use, how you want the refrigerator to look, as well as the type of foods you typically store. Finally, let's talk about features. Ice makers and water dispensers are very popular convenience features, but the latest refrigerator models offer many more options. Wi-Fi enabled refrigerators can perform diagnostics, help you find recipes and plan meals, and even act as a hub for the rest of your connected devices. For this kitchen, we chose a counter-depth French door refrigerator from LG with some really innovative features. The indoor dispenser gives you easy access to filtered water and ice. The energy-saving InstaView door-in-door lets you grab frequently used items without letting warm air in. In fact, you can even see inside without even opening the door at all. Just knock twice on the tinted glass panel to illuminate the easy access compartment. Now, those are just a few tips on how to choose a refrigerator that will look great and function well for your home. To learn more, check out our buying guides by clicking the links below, and visit build.com to shop for everything you need for your next project. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and tune in next time when we answer a new question on Glad You Asked. Thanks for watching.